Hi guys, it's Cynthia, Purgatory Paranormal. I hope you're having a great Wednesday evening. As you can see, I'm in my car and I was just driving. I'm on my way to my bowling league, my weekly bowling league. But I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who gave me some kind comments and watched my video memorial to my cousin Kenny yesterday on 9/11. I really appreciate it. His memory is something we all want to try to keep alive. And I did speak to his mom today, and his mom and dad are doing great. They always appreciate, anything that will keep Kenny alive in people's hearts. So thank you so very much for watching it and for your very, very kind comments. I was going to stop at one of a couple of cool old cemeteries on the way here, but I'm pretty sure our roads around here are paved goat paths because there's nowhere to park, there's nowhere to pull over. We don't have parking spaces along the sides of the roads, and I honestly don't know where people in modern day funeral processions park when they are burying their loved ones. So I couldn't stop today, but I will try another day. I'm going to do a ghost box session later when I get home, so I'll add that to this video. But I just mainly wanted to say thank you to everybody. Really appreciate it, and enjoy the ghost box session. And we will speak to you soon. Take care. Hello, spirits. Is anybody here in the car with me today? Oh, those are some strange sounds. Spirits, why is the radio making such strange sounds? Oh, it stopped. Wow, this really sounds odd. What was that? Is there a reason the radio sounds so strange, spirits? Strange music. What? Who's with me here? Why is the radio making those sounds, Spirit? Hello? Hope? Are you with me here in the car? Oh, it stopped. Are you with me here in the car? What is your name? Can you tell me your name? Herman? Gavin? Did you come here with me, or have I come to you? Is this your place here, your space? My name is Cynthia. I come here with all respect. Can you speak to me? Is there any message you'd like to share? Yes, what would you like to say? Can you try to use this radio? The strangest sounds. I feel like someone's trying to whisper something to me. Can you use the energy in the radio, the white noise and the voices to say what you need to say to me? I'm going to shut the radio off in a moment, but I've changed it to FM to see if this would be easier for you. I don't have the antenna up so that we can just hear your voice. Is there anyone here that would like to give me any sort of message? What was that? My name is Cynthia. Can you say my name? Can you say Cynthia? What was that? Can you say my name? Can you say Cynthia? Explode. Can you say goodbye, Cynthia? Thought I heard goodbye, but very, very low. Can you say goodbye, Cynthia? And I will shut the radio off.
Trump said he's done.
All right, I'm going to say goodbye now. Thank you for speaking with me.